Welcome to Education PNG YouTube channel. This is a grade 10 mathematics examination question taken from the 2015 paper. Use this as practice to prepare for upcoming exams or have fun solving it. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. The given net consists of a square base and 4 identical triangular faces, forming a square-based pyramid. Let's calculate the surface area step by step. Step 1. Identify given dimensions. Square base, 10 times 10 equals 100 centimeters. Triangular faces each has a base of 10 centimeters and a height of 12 centimeters. Step 2. Calculate the area of one triangle. The area of a triangle is given by text area equals frac 1, 2 times base text height equals frac 1, 2 times 10 to 6 centimeters. Step 3. Calculate the total area of the 4 triangles. Since there are 4 triangular faces, text total triangular area 4 times 60, 240 text centimeter cube. Step 4. Calculate total surface area. Surface area equal text base area text total triangular area equals 100 plus 240 equals 300 text 340. Final answer. The total surface area of the pyramid is 340 centimeters squares.